Are you in premium or discount? Well, today we were in premium, therefore we're looking to short. And have you got a 15-minute fair value gap? Have you got a key level in the market that you can actually trade from? Well, yes, yes, we do. 68.80, 68.90. So these are the 4 steps that I follow every single day. Once you have these marked out on your charts, it doesn't take you more than about 5 minutes to do. Now from here, when we look more recently at the price action, this is where we start to go into order flow. Now, before we go to market open, this was now, let's go to 9:30 Eastern, right? So this is 9:25, there you go, 9:25, 9:30 Eastern, right here. So when I approach the markets, I already know where I want to be trading from, right? This is very important. So we had a key level here. And just for simplicity, I would then go and target the next 15-minute fair value gap. So for me, it would be this region here. So we have a small fair value gap, the wick here, and the wick here haven't touched. So I would just mark this out as an order block from the fair value gap. So I would be looking to trade from key level 1 down to key level 2. It's that simple. So whenever I approach the markets, whenever I approach the charts, I'm always looking to trade from one level to the next. And this is what I call the XXX model. So the XXX model, there's 3 things in the XXX model, right? So every trade you take, you must have these defined before you actually enter the trade. It's very important. You need to know where you are trading from. That's step 1. And the where you trade from is what we call the key level. So this key level today was 68.82 to 68.90, and we're targeting 68.65. That's our area. That's the first part of the XXX model. The second and the third thing come together. So you need to know what you're looking for. So when price comes into your key level, what makes the key level valid in the first place? It is buyers and sellers. That's the only thing that makes a key level valid. It is buyers and sellers. So I'm just going to write buyers and sellers. And the last thing you're looking for is why. So when you take a sell, the only reason the market sells off is because of passive sellers, right? Or sell limit orders, right? Or passive sellers. I'm just going to write passive sellers. And this is the order that we take every single trade, right? Every single trade comes off these 3 things. You need to know where to trade from. That's your key level. You need to know what to look for. So that's in this region, buyers and sellers. And you need to know why the market wants to move down, right? Why did the market move down? It's because of passive sellers. So that's where the order flow comes in. So step 2 and 3 is where the order flow comes in. But this is basically the XXX model. And this is how you want to approach any market for any session on any time frame. So now let's go down to the 1-minute chart. So on the 1-minute chart, that's where 2 and 3 come together. So I'm looking for absorption.